just looked at a car I thought I wanted. I thought it looked great in the pictures, but when we got there, it just wasn't the one. The Corsa is now sold. It's gone. We've just gone to see one. Oh my God. It was an absolute nightmare. Yeah. It was just terrible. The spec and everything was amazing, but it was just completely battered. Oh, I'm worried now because I don't have a car. I'm thinking, I'm worrying that I might miss the reveal date for you guys. I don't want to get you guys' hopes up, but we're about to go see a car. This car is the perfect spec. I'm just really hoping it's the one. And the car's sold. We'll get it today, but it's last minute. It's last minute. It's only just came up, so let's see what we can do. But we gotta go now. Here it is, the big reveal finally. I know you guys have been waiting so long for this, and just before I show you guys, I just want to thank every single one of you guys for everything with the Corsa, because we wouldn't be here right now if it weren't for that. So let's show off the new whip. Yes guys, as you can see, we've got a BMW M235i on the channel. I can't believe it. Guys, I went from a Corsa to this absolute beast. Let me pop the bonnet and show you what an M235i is packing. It's absolutely freezing, but that ain't freezing. Yes guys, this is a 3 litre inline-six N55 engine. It's what it is. It has got 326 brake horsepower, and as a 0 to 60, I kid you not, in 4.6 seconds. I can't believe it. Guys, there is so much we can do to this car compared to the Corsa. We can remap it, the exhaust is going to sound mad, we can have a proper turbo intake. Guys, there's so much. When that's just scratching the surface, that's not even including all the exterior mods we can do. Basically, all I'm saying is, this car is a massive upgrade. Right guys, as you can see, we're in the car, we're driving. Just look how fast this is. Ready? No! This car is so fast! Guys! This car is rapid, and I just can't believe it. This car is so sick. Alright. Let's get this thing started, shall we? Oh yeah. Right, there is one thing we have to do to consolidate buying a new car. Nice person.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have two large Big Mac meals?
Yeah.
We had to do it. We had to do it. Cheers. Delicious. Okay, so for this bit of the video, basically I'm gonna get my mate to just react to the car. Just see how it is. Right, guys, so we're going for a quick drive to show my mate Jake, who's been in a few of the other videos, what this beast is all about.
Oh my.
Racing from the Fiesta. Right, sports mode in the old gearbox.
Oh my. That was low.
Downshift. Right, it ain't working. Downshift.
Alright. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Yo! You hear that? What the f? This car is so quick. That wasn't even full throttle. The chips are so sick. You hearing that, bro? It's like I'm in a f***ing game.
Oh my.
You feel that gear shift, bro?
Mate, it just took off.
Alright guys, what do you guys think of the car? I f***ing love it, but I actually am interested to see what you guys think of it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of me owning an M Light? Am I the youngest person in the UK to own an M Light? I don't know. What do you guys think of the red leather interior? I really like this, guys. I absolutely love this. I just can't get over how much of an upgrade this is from the Corsa. It's perfect. I mean, look at these alloys as well. They're 18-inch alloys. I love the colour of them. Look at this as well. Such an upgrade from Corsa. My Corsa had drum brakes on the back. These are huge discs. The rear disc brakes are even bigger than the Corsa's front. Look at the size of them. They're bigger than my head. That's mad. I mean, and that's saying a lot as well if it's being bigger than my head. Greta Thunberg might not like it, but I absolutely love it, and I really hope you guys do too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Put in the comments on, I just want to hear your reactions. I just want to see how much you guys like the car. Anyway, thank you guys all for watching this video. It's a great project and it's going to be a huge next chapter. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.